Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Right in front of me is Huawei's top foldable flagship of the year, the Huawei Mate X7. Honestly, you could even call it a foldable camera powerhouse because the upgrades on the camera side this time are seriously impressive. Hey everyone, today we're giving you the very first unboxing and hands-on look at the Huawei Mate X7. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The packaging follows the same style as the Mate X6, a striking red outer box, and inside you get that familiar black and gold premium combo. Quick reminder before we go further, do not peel off the inner screen protector. Once you open it up, the first thing that hits you is the crease, or rather, how tiny it is. From the inside display alone, it looks almost identical to the previous generation, but Huawei has switched to a new 3-layer composite structure that makes the inner screen much tougher. When unfolded, the device measures just 4.5 millimeters in thickness. Flipping it over, this is the purple version with a vegan leather finish. The camera module still keeps the time portal design language, but the shape itself has evolved. Last year, it was a circle with 4 angled corners. This time, we get flat edges on both sides, rounded ends on the top and bottom, and bevels all around. The vegan leather wraps upwards slightly too, making the entire back look more seamless and giving it an even more premium vibe. In the hand, it feels unbelievably light and slim, and when the display lights up, the crease basically disappears from a straight-on view. The outer screen is protected by second-generation basalt-tempered glass, and the hinge is a brand-new basalt water drop hinge. The critical support parts are made of ultra-strong rocket steel, which Huawei says can withstand up to 2,350 megapascals. Pretty wild. Since the Mate X7 series runs on the new Kirin 9030 Pro processor, a lot of people are curious about the performance and overall smoothness. From my experience, day-to-day apps run great. About 95% of the commonly used ones work perfectly. Some lesser-known apps can be installed through tools like Joyitong, and a good number of apps now take advantage of the larger foldable display as well. But honestly, as solid as the performance is, I think the Mate X7's biggest leap forward is in its camera system. It brings the same second-generation Hongfeng Imaging System found in the 80 series, fully optimized across all focal lengths. As you can see, zooming is incredibly stable in terms of colors, and the main camera's dynamic range reaches the same 17.5 EV stops as the Mate 80 Pro Max, which is crazy when you remember this device is only 4.5 millimeters thick when opened. To pull that off, Huawei is using the industry's thinnest 0.4 millimeter glass chip. And there's another fun trick. When shooting with the inner display, the Mate X7 offers AI-assisted composition. Even if you're not confident with photography, this feature helps you grab stunning shots with ease. If I had to wrap up the Huawei Mate X7 in one line, I'd say it's the unquestionable ruler of foldable phones right now. From imaging to performance to fluidity to AI features, the Mate X7 once again lives up to the saying, only a mate can beat a mate. And that brings us to the end of our unboxing and quick review of the Huawei Mate X7. For a deeper dive and more in-depth coverage, make sure to subscribe and join our tech family. See you in the next one.